Okay, guys, so I want to walk you through the things that I have to make my Dollar Tree planner. And I'm going to use Dollar Tree only supplies. I won't be using any papers from anywhere else or anything like that. Or I might use some papers that are, I have this box of just like scraps, kind of trashy scraps from other projects. So I might use some of those papers, but it won't be the main part of this planner. So I want you to understand that you can make a planner too. You can make it from materials at the Dollar Tree. It doesn't have to cost that much money. I think this is about $15 worth of supplies, and you can have everything that you need inside your planner. Now, this doesn't include your tools. You will need your toolkit. If you want an idea on a cheap toolkit, you can also get one from a supply kit, rather a craft supply kit. You can also get one from Dollar Tree for about $10 less. Go check out my other video on Dollar Tree supply kit, and that'll give you some tips and ideas. So yeah, so these are, oh, sorry, I put my arm all the way across the screen. You just couldn't see anything, could you? But yeah, sorry. So this is my supplies that I'm going to use to make my planner. I'm so excited. I've been like losing sleep over the fact that I need a planner, a new one. I want to make one. Like, I'm just excited about it, and I'm having an issue because I want to make a planner and it's stressing me out. So I have to do it. Have to get it done. Have to. I don't know if you guys are like that about your crafting. I am when it comes to art stuff. I just get so like caught in the moment and just have to do it. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to show you my supplies, and then I'll flip through the finished planner. I will give an actual tutorial over on my website. It'll be for members only. Membership is completely free. There is no, all you need is an email. It's free. So don't stress. If you want the tutorial, literally just go over there, put in your email, you'll become a member, you'll get access to the tutorial. It's not a big deal. All right, guys. So I have some notepads or sticky notes, and it has the lines on it. I think that'll be good for a planner. Then I have some writing tablets. These ones aren't sticky, but there are 5 in there. Then I got this other little tablet that says to do. Can you see that? Oh, I should keep it down here, huh? Yeah, it says to do, and so this will be great for writing to-do lists. Then I got this little booklet. It was so cute, and it had gold foil, and it has some gold foil pages inside, so I can use that for decor and decoration. And then the hard covers, I might be able to use that for something. Who knows? We'll see. Then I got this little book that says Moments of Faith, but it has quotes inside of it. And a lot of the quotes in the other books that I saw at the Dollar Tree were all biblical. And sometimes I need quotes that are specifically from people because it's easier for me to read the biblical ones. Sometimes I can get a little lost. But this one seemed like it had a good mix of biblical as well as quotes from people. And I feel like I need that because I'm going to try to do like motivation and like reading my planner to keep me motivated and keep me planning. And then the hardcovers, if I wanted to, I could maybe do something with those. I don't know. We'll see. I don't have a plan. I'm going to organically make this planner. So, you guys can join me with that. Got this burlap ribbon. This could be a closure or just be a part of the cover. Really cute. So I'll be adding that. Then I got some ink pens, flowers, and I think I want to just put flowers in the ink pens and then maybe make a embellishment or two with the flower. Self-adhesive stencil. The stencil looked really cool. I really wanted to try it. I put back other stuff and kept this instead. So that's the stencil. Composition book. I got one that had a floral pattern because I'm really into floral patterns right now. So I got one just in case if I wanted to somehow show the cover, it would still have some prettiness to the cover. And just a plain old composition book, but they can handle a lot of stress. If you've never seen my other planner, this was the planner I had before, and I mean, this baby is fat, and it stood up to my beating. So you can definitely use a composition notebook, and it can grow, which is the great thing about composition notebooks. So that's what I wanted to use as my base. Got this really pretty clipboard. I think I'll use it as like a dashboard, you know, how people have a dashboard in your planners. Got this other planner, 2019. I made a mistake. I'm just gonna be honest with you. I don't know why, but I thought it said 2018. It says 2019. So the cover's pretty though, and it has this plastic on top. So there may be something I can do with that. It has a note section. It has a calendar for 2019. I mean, I don't know how that can help me, but we'll see. Ribbon. This beautiful wall calendar. I don't know who Sarah Burson is, but it's beautiful. And so if you like this, go check her out and find out who she is. That would have to be your own research, guys. I may try to find it out for you and put a link, like maybe she has like prints or something. But you know, I definitely want to shout out the artist who, like, I'm loving her work and I'm going to be using her stuff. So she has these beautiful pages, keep shining, you live only once, like, you know, little motivational words, and then this beautiful floral background. And oh, is this 2019 too? What is wrong with me? I get everything 2019. I have problems. Oh no, I thought I would at least be able to use these. Oh well. Oh, 2019 is about to come up. I'm slow. But I don't like to do a planner for more than maybe 3 or 4 months, because I get so bored so easy and I need to switch stuff up. So I probably will only make this planner about to the end of the year, through December. So I don't think I'll have a use for 2019 calendar. I mean, other than the fact, you know, if you want to plan in advance, you do want that. But I'll probably be using the colorful side of the pages rather than calendar sides anyway. So I'll probably have to hand draw my calendar, which is fine. So keep that in mind. If you want to do a DIY planner, one of the ways that you could do that is by hand drawing your calendar, hand drawing your things, hand drawing little, like, you could really just get a composition notebook and actually go the other route and get a bunch of paint and markers and highlighters and pens, and then maybe something to make the cover and maybe a closure, and then you just go to town creating your own planner. I like paper. I like to touch stuff, and I like to feel stuff, and I like to cut stuff, and I like to see different textures, and so that's the way I'm gonna go with it. Oh, now Dollar Tree has beautiful gift bags. This one's gorgeous. I have another gift bag that I got from Dollar Tree. I don't think I have it by me. Oh, I do. Yeah, this is another one that I got from Dollar Tree. This one's gorgeous as well. Look at that. Oh my goodness. But this one, I want to make this into a junk journal. Or, you know, my version of junk journals. So that is going to be for another day. I'll vent it up. Oh my gosh. But that's gorgeous. This is gorgeous. So check out Dollar Tree for their little gift bags. You can find some that even look a little more vintagey, and you know, there's different looks out there. So that will probably be my cover, and I may use it to make like other little things throughout the journal. So let's count and see how much this stuff costs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. $15, and we're going to make a gorgeous journal, a gorgeous planner. Why do I keep saying journal? I don't know. Hey. But yeah, we're going to make a gorgeous planner, and I'll come back to you and show you the planner. And again, for my members, you can go on over to designdarlings.club, not .com, .club, and you can find the tutorial, the walkthrough, the steps to actually make this, okay? Alrighty, well, I'll be back. Bye. Okay, guys, so here is my project to share, my $15 Dollar Tree planner. Very, very cute. So it has a wraparound here and a ribbon closure, and the back is like that, and it was made with the gift bag paper and burlap and ribbon fabric as a on binding and some ribbon along the binding, and then some of the lace from the burlap fabric along the edge of the wraparound here. So that's the wraparound. I think I want it to be like that. Maybe, I don't know. But these are my little pins that I put with it. I just put some flowers on it so that it would be cute. I had the flowers along the bottom part, but I changed my mind and put it on the top part because this is the kind of pin where you put it like that. So yeah, I put it there, and then I just can put the pin, put that little piece right inside the top there and have it inside my book with the flowers, just give it some prettiness. And here sticking out the top, it says 2018 with the lace and the tag from the gift bag, and then a little quote, even the little daisy becomes a meadow. And so then let's look inside. So inside I have a dashboard, and the dashboard is keeping these to-do lists, these little post-it notes, keeping those down. They're kind of coming apart, so I'm just going to put that over there because there's a seam right here, so maybe it's just not sticking to that seam. But yeah, so I have my post-it notes right here. I have a pocket here that's made from the packaging, so I can put some things in there like some stickers or something like that. And I may put a couple more pockets along here and put stickers or notes or whatever, and that's my post-it notes. And then this is my clipboard, which slides out, and on the back is what's right up on the top. So I can use this as a backboard for when I'm writing, and then I can also use the front if I need to post something like really pressing, like a to-do or a post-it that just, this is my daily take it out sort of thing. And so that just slides right in here. The pocket is made from the covering from a planner that I got. And then this is a calendar page, and it says dream, and I made this tab from that same planner, and I put August. And then here is my month page, and here I'll be putting pictures of probably my family or things that motivate me, so I can just keep in mind why I'm trying to do this and who I'm trying to work for and how hard I need to work to make my goals happen. Then I have just a small calendar so I can see what day of the week this stuff lands on. Here I can put some month notes. Here I can put some appointments, and those just flip up. And then here is like the bullet journal style where you can write across on each day your appointments or what you need to do, or just if something important. Then here are my week pages. I have here I can write something, here I can write something, here I can write my to-dos, and then I just have a couple pages of freedom to just write whatever I want. And so these are weekly pages, so I have a couple of those. And then I'll finish out the journal, the planner, with the same for the next 3 months. So it'll be for August, September, and October. Back cover is just plain like that. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna also have ideas in a future section. And yeah, so that is my Dollar Tree planner. It's I really like it. I think it's really cute. I think it's a great idea for anybody who's crafty but on a budget. You want to do something different, you want to do something cute, you want to do something that can be customized to your style, because I have a particular way that I like to do my planning, and so I need something that's free and that's customizable and that can change, but that's also pretty. It makes me want to grab it, it makes me want to use it. So that's what I got, guys. I'm going to try to put my pins back in, if you can see that. But yeah, so that's what I got, and I'm so happy that you guys joined me to see it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and I taught you something, or I showed you an idea that maybe you didn't have before. Please make sure that you like. I would really appreciate it. Please make sure you subscribe. You'll get great tutorials, DIYs, my vlog as I'm on my journey trying to become a full-time crafter. And then if you're really curious and you're really trying to go a little deeper than just the casual crafter, you are welcome to join me over at designdarlings.club. It's not a .com, it's a .club. So at designdarlings.club, you can join me over there. You can join to be a member. It's completely free. All I need is your email, and I'll have a complete tutorial walkthrough on how I did this planner. So yeah, thank you guys so much for joining me. Hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.